guys, it's Candy again of Natural Hair Dynamics, and as promised yesterday on my vlog, I'm here with a Bath and Body Works haul. Yes, you guys, yesterday was Bath and Body Works Candle Day. Yes, and I usually do not get the chance to go and capitalize on it, but yesterday I was on a mission, right? And I had to go through like some drama to actually reach to the store because I took 20 minutes to find parking. And I'm so happy that I stuck it out because my friend was telling me that online was totally sold out before 7 p.m. last night. So I'm glad I got my stash. And guys, I went specifically for this here holiday candle. This is my absolute favorite candle for the holidays. This one is the Twisted Peppermint, and oh my god, if you love peppermint any at all, trust me, this candle will give the house a nice Christmassy aroma. It just reminds me of watching a movie, all snuggled up on your couch, or drinking some hot chocolate with peppermint in there. Amazing, love this. So I got myself 3 of these. They are the main difference. This is why I left my house and then I said to myself, hey, why not get a couple others? So I was kind of browsing. The place was so packed I did not have, it was overwhelming trying to even, get a feel of the smell of the candle. So I was like, just picking up stuff. So I decided to go with this Island Margarita. Ooh, this reminds me of a glass of wine after dinner. Nice crisp smell, love this smell, nothing too overbearing. If you don't like overbearing scents, that will work for you. And then I went on the total opposite end of it where I got this black teak wood, which reminds me of the smell of a cologne. It smells like a male cologne. So this is perfect for your room, not for the entire house, but your bedroom if you want to set that tone for that nice I only got 5 candles, you guys, and believe it or not, here is the big thing. I only spent $34 for the 5 candles. You guys. So yeah, we had a so let's go back. Yeah, $34 for 5 candles, and if you guys are aware of the prices for these candles, they are usually $24.50. So I would say that's $120 worth of candles. Oh, not to mention the fact that I also got this in the price. It's one of the Twisted Peppermint wallflowers. So when you're burning a candle, this is just in the background, just softening up the entire house with the peppermint smell. So it was 5 candles plus the wallflower for $34. This is like a $130 steal for $34, you guys. So do not sleep on Bath and Body Works and their sales. Yeah, I'm just excited and can't wait to burn my candles for the holidays. Alright, so. And just a little money saving tip for you guys. If you have not already gotten on Bath and Body Works email subscription list, make sure you do so, because that is how I was able to cop a little extra off of my total bill. I pretty much had $15 off of $45, plus I had a coupon for 1 free item up to a $13.50 value. So that pretty much helped me to save a whole deal and to walk out there a happy camper, only paying $34 for pretty much $130 worth of items. Yeah, so I thought I would share that with you guys. Yay! So there you have it, you guys, my Bath and Body Works candle haul. Go get you some whenever you see their sales. And yeah, remember to like, share, rate, subscribe, tell a friend about Natural Hair Dynamics, because I have many more videos to come. And remember to check out my Vlogmas videos and my hairstyling videos and all my videos. Peace out.